What's up guys, today we're going to be talking about how to pack a shirt in a carry-on. So for this tutorial we're going to be using the Raleigh again as it's our favourite carry-on. So let's jump straight to it. Fold number one is the standard or default way I think of folding a collared shirt. You just flip it over, fold the side of the shirt and the arm into the side of the body, and then do the same on the next side. Make a little fold at the bottom of the shirt and then fold it up all the way to the top. And then we can just pop this in the structured bottom compartment of the Raleigh, which is super helpful for packing shirts, suits, shoes, anything that you feel like you just want to protect that little bit more. Okay, so fold two, a little bit different, cross the arms over in front of the body of the shirt, and then similar to the first fold style, we're just going to fold the side of the shirt in so it's in line with that collar, and then the second side again in line with the collar, and then we'll make a small fold at the bottom and then fold it up so it's folded in half. So a great feature that Mahi offer is embroidery on all of their bags. Another thing that they do really well is all the high quality hardware that's free moving and also made of brass, so you're not going to get a strap that snaps on you whilst you're travelling. Okay, so fold three is slightly different to the first, but kind of similar at the same time. You just flip the shirt over, fold the side and the sleeve in on itself, and then we're going to fold the sleeve back over itself twice so it's nice and neat. Do the same on the other side, then make a small fold at the bottom, and then fold again so it's in half. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked this video then go ahead and click on the like button. Similarly, if you disliked this video then click on the dislike button and leave a comment. You can subscribe and hit that bell icon and you'll receive notifications about our upcoming videos. As always, the link to this bag is in the description below. Once again guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you all soon.